10 qualities to find in your partner in a romantic relationship. In a healthy and romantic relationship, the couple shares these qualities among themselves. A romantic relationship can be blissful as long as both partners are not only in mutual agreement to make the relationship work. They have the qualities that will help them succeed. Does your other half have these qualities? Trustworthy. Trusting your spouse is essential because you need to know that no matter what, they are there for you and with you. Your spouse is committed and you trust that. Your relationship is as important for you as it is for them. This is the foundation of a romantic relationship. Helpful. You can count on their help and advice. It's a pleasure for your partner to help you when you need it. Caring. Your sweetheart cares about you and pays attention to your feelings and your needs. Their actions prove it. Understanding. As we say, a problem shared is a problem halved. Your other half can put themselves in your shoes and empathize with your issues. Forgiving. Does your spouse forgive you when mistakes are made? Being in a healthy and romantic relationship means that the love of your life will forgive you for making them. We have 5 more qualities to share with you, and before we continue, let me remind you to subscribe and tap your notification bell so you don't miss more videos of Romantic Joy's romantic tips. Supportive. Your spouse is always reliable and is ready to assist you. They also encourage you to achieve your goals and dreams. Communicative. You are free to express your opinion, and you are honest with each other. Talking with your partner feels easy and smooth. It's open communication 24/7. Cooperative. Working as teammates on a project, cooperating to see a task well done is. What makes a healthy and romantic relationship thrive? Funny. Spending time with your spouse is exciting. They joke and laugh with you. They are playful and spontaneous. And they don't take themselves too seriously. They can laugh about themselves. Also, your spouse knows how to use their sense of humor to diffuse tension and stress. Loving. This is their strength. Your significant other is affectionate. They show it to you through their words and actions. They are confident in giving you their undivided attention, as well as their affection and being intimate. There we are. Check out the playlists of our romantic and 10 date ideas videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.